So here we are under the highway bridges. I assure you the weather was beautiful and calm until I pulled out the GoPro. Right? This is the bridge that all the local YouTubers say is going to be redone and turned into a walking trail. So we're going to walk on it because none of the other local YouTubers have, for some reason.
Could you warn me through the bad spot?
Yeah. Casey, right here, right in front of me. You see the wood sticking up? Yeah, look at the railing collapsed. Look at that. I don't remember if it was like that last time. Take a look. That is a good picture, you're right. Interesting thing to take note of here, there used to be a telegraph line that actually ran on this bridge, as evident by the and from here on it's basically fine. Just walk above the steel support.
Yeah,
But you see the telegraph pole sticking off there. There's the roaring brook down below. I would say don't step on that one because that'll probably break if you do. This.
Yeah, I was gonna step over that.
Yeah. What? Yeah. It's always been like that. So this is the support beam then, marking the halfway point.
Oh no, there's a wrong road. Never mind.
Yeah. Oh, you think you have to jump? I would probably not be doing this if I had to jump from there. That's what, 5 foot to there.
It's probably, yeah, it's probably 6 feet.
I want to head back and get a picture of the river. But yeah, great place. Look, there's a rail down in the river, you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, sticking out from the pipe. Yeah, you just got to use your head, that's it.
I mean, we are really halfway, so.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that is by far the worst part. This is cakewalk. You know, I said you got to use your head. Maybe it's a lack of a head you got to use. There's the bin sift down there. This train's active, by the way. I mean, it's not a train, their car is stored, but it ain't abandoned. Yeah, look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's looking right through there. Yeah, how was that? Hey, so we're back at the Sus Bridge, as I call it. No GoPro or camera today because I didn't think I'd be creating any content. See, we got a nice train there, but I think in the last recording I may have mentioned something about them restoring this for use as a walking trail. Well, that time has finally come. They're doing it. Let's go take a look. Just gonna watch our step here. You can see the second half, the highway half, they did not do anything to. But the covered half, they put down all new, they ripped out the ties and they put down a whole new boardwalk. So let's take a look at that. You see the stone support pillar, still exactly the same. See right there, there's an old tie that they presumably removed. But yeah, they put down brand new wood, not treated with creosote, which is nice. It appears that they left a few of the original planks in place, but for the most part, it's all new. And I'm actually really excited about this because this is an awesome bridge, an awesome trail system accompanying the bridge, and I really can't wait for it to go and turn into a public trail because that will ensure its future as a walkable hiking trail, basically. You can see they have some ties here. Looks like they have some ties set up. Not much else is going on. You can see there's some of the old ties in a pile. But yeah, just thought I'd share the update. See, there's QT. I used to enjoy finding their stuff, but they started to plaster their mark on every single piece of metal you find in the woods, and now it's just annoying. Because they're more of a tagger than an explorer, I think now. I mean, like even on the power lines, you look down, there's a big rock, QT's name is on it. That's kind of ridiculous, don't you think? Look at this. That's not up to OSHA regs. Not at all. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hopefully this is done by the end of the summer. Thanks for watching.